Hello guys and welcome to the wait, what? You're over there. Hello guys and welcome to the first Built Not Bought Blindfold Challenge. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can win $1,000 cash by doing something as simple as what you see in this video. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna do an oil change blindfolded. Why? I don't know why. I just thought I'd try something different. All right, so first step, obviously, we're gonna get the oil out of the thing first. So this is gonna be so much harder than I thought. Good thing I built this car and I know where everything is. Which side is it on, the left or right? Oh, here we go, there it is. We're gonna need some tools. That's right, tools, where are they? Under the tray. So we're going along the back. All right, tools, found them. Now what size was it? I think it was like a 15. So what I can do, oh God, I don't even know what spanner it is. I know it starts at 10. Wait, no, does it start at 8 or 10? 19, 18, 17, 14. You know what, we'll just take them all. 15. Get under here and drain the oil. That's the diff. All right, put the spanners there. I'm gonna find the nut. Oh, right there. Right down there, I think we're good. And then I need to work out which bloody spanner it is. Trial and error, I think this bit. Jesus, who did it up last? Have I got the right bolt? Pull the sleeves back. I think it's gonna be coming very soon. Oh my God, which way? Oh, perfect. All right, so we'll let that drain and we need to go grab some oil. All right, some oil. Sorry if there's any customers here, eh? Oh God, what is that? Man, I'm gonna smash something over, I swear to God. Is everyone with customers? What's going on? I see why people have those walking stick things now. Have I even gotten to the T intersection yet? I'm in a corner now, damn it.
Do you need some help at all, man?
Oh, what's going on, dude? I'm chasing some oil. I need some 10W50s. Who has this customer service? Hold on, can you take me there?
Yeah. Do you want me to hold your hand?
Let's go. No, just, yeah, take me. I feel like this is the way I came. Whoa, God. Sorry if there's any customers here. Oh, we're here.
Yeah.
All right, now I've got to trust in my wallet. This is going well. That'll cover it.
That's what we've done.
Sweet. Legend. Cheers, dude. I'm sorry if I run into anyone. I can't believe this is what I do for a living. What does my life come to? Yes, I'm out. There's a car here somewhere. Where do I go? Yeah, we found it. That's the bull bar. All right, we're good. So the rags should be down here and we'll put that bolt back in. Yeah. Give it a wipe. Always wipe twice. You wipe it 3 times, you're just playing with it. Perfect. All right, nip it up. Done. All right. Ow, what's that? A wheel. Now, have a look at the oil here. What you can see is it's, well, you can't see a lot, but I'm sure it's ready to change. Okay, now we've got to fill her up. So there should be a funnel. Here it is. Here we go, all right. Take the cap off. Now, I don't want to lose this, so I'm going to put it at the bull bar. Oh, you know what I realised? How am I going to check the oil level? Jesus, all right. We knew 1050, which it may or may not be, depending on how honest the bloke was. All right, I have no idea how fast it's going to fill. All right. You tell me if it's like just going everywhere. Okay. All right, I think we're filling. I have no idea. Oh, shh. Is that filled too fast? What happened? Oh man, that's making a mess. Is that going in? Is that making a mess? This might be a good time to remind you guys to like and subscribe to my channel. Oh. I have no idea how much oil it takes either. I think 6 litres sounds about right. Well, it's a 6 litre engine, isn't it? That's what that means. Can you tell me how many litres are remaining? All right, I've got to find that dipstick. What was that? Dipstick. Yeah, no, it definitely needs more, eh? Back in the hole. There we go, it's coming out. Oh, God. I think that should do it. That felt like a lot came out. Perfect. Get rid of this. And then, where'd I put that cap? Wait, where's the cap? Put on the battery. No, bull bar, bull bar, bull bar, bull bar. Yeah, there it is. All right, wrong hole again. There we go. Done. I better just check if it runs. Yep, started, must be good. That was the Built Not Bought Blindfold Challenge. Now, back to how you can win this $1,000 cash prize. That is right, $1,000 cash. All you gotta do is record your own Built Not Bought Blindfold Challenge video. You can get creative. You can go change a wheel on your car. You can do an oil change if you want. You can change your radiator fluid. You can I don't know, set up a rooftop tent, that'd be a good one. Maybe an awning. And what you gotta do is film that video, post it on wherever you like, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. And make sure you just tag Sam or Built Not Bought so I can see the video. In 3 weeks time, so you guys have got 3 weeks to put that together. I'm gonna review all the videos, pick my top 3, and you guys, the public, will decide the winner. So out of the top 3, it'll go to a public vote, and the most hilarious, funny, favorite video of the Built Not Bought Blindfold Challenge will win $1,000 cash. Get creative, get filming. I wanna see some awesome stuff. And I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Peace out. I'd love to slap the screen right now, but you'll have to come to me. They say the definition of subscribe is to arrange to receive something, typically a publication, regularly by paying in advance. Please arrange to receive something, typically a publication, regularly by paying in advance by clicking the button below.